Right, excluding Sundays, Lent is a season of 40 days beginning tomorrow, Ash Wednesday, ending on Holy Saturday. And around this time, loads of recognizers of the season give up meat for this period. So we've invited Chef Brent Blair of Veggie Campus to show us how to prepare a green plantain lasagna. He's got Chef Mickey Kushney with him. Good morning, folks.
Good morning.
Good to see you here this morning. Chef Blair, tell me about Veggie Campus.
All right, well, it is a vegan food delivery service. We deliver mainly over the years of Kingston and St. Andrew, lunch, and we just put our spin on Jamaican traditional vegan dishes.
Is it that you started delivering mostly to colleges and universities where the name came about?
UTech, yeah.
Tell me, how did it come up? How did the business start?
Well, it was like a discussion amongst my brother and friends about making lunch boxes, and
The rest is history.
the rest is history.
Are you vegan?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you put an exciting spin on vegan food? Because people think vegan sometimes, even though that's changing slowly, or I should ask you, do you find that people are looking at vegan food differently now?
They are, and there's a growing need for more vegan food.
Yeah, because more people are trying to eat healthily.
Right,
Okay,
right.
so what kind of spin do you put on it?
Well, we just try to make it more exciting, fresh, more younger, and like for example today.
Younger?
Younger.
How you make it younger?
by by the type of styles of cooking, you know. Like the green plantain lasagna, instead of using the pasta shell, we use plantain as a base.
Okay.
And we make our own cheese sauce without dairy.
Okay,
Yes.
that sounds interesting.
Yes.
How you work out these recipes? Is that a lot of trial and error involved?
Yes, it mostly just come to me. And no suggestions from a lot of people.
Yeah. What's the favorite on your menu right now? What do the folks love?
Favorite, they love anything Akira, and they also love this. This is probably one of the main things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so talk us through. Come, Chef Mickey, tell us what you're doing over there.
Alright, so this is the green plant lasagna, right?
Yes.
So as you see, I'm frying the green plant first, and then after that now, we made a lentil in tomato sauce.
Lentil equal beans
Yes,
and peas.
yes.
Yes.
Yeah, and then we put a cheese sauce we made from scratch. So we make our own cheese.
Okay.
Very delicious, as you can see.
Make your own cheese.
Right.
What
Like
do you
a-
use to make the cheese, Chef?
All right, so it's like coconut milk, pumpkin, carrots, spices, a bag of goodness.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Were you raised eating vegan, Chef?
No,
or did you,
no.
It's a choice you made.
Yes.
Why? Tell us about that. Why?
Well, mainly because it's healthier naturally.
Yeah.
I mean, I had stuff like asthma and bad sinuses, and it helped it immensely.
Yeah.
And also, yeah, just to try something different.
And it's satisfying for you?
It is.
Like you think it's delicious, or do you just think, yes, I'm doing better for my health, so I'll just eat this food?
No, I think it makes me feel better in
You
comparison.
enjoy it?
Enjoy.
Is it delicious?
It is.
All right, I want people to get excited about veggie food because,
Yeah.
there are still some people who think veggie and they think this is vegan and they think, oh my God, this is going to be so bland and tasteless. But that's not the case
Right.
with your food.
With this food, you feel lighter, you feel more balanced, you feel more attentive, and just energetic, and you just feel connected to the whole earth.
I feel connected to the earth. Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? All right, so the plantains are frying.
Yes.
And then Chef is cooking up some vegetables in another pot.
Right.
Okay, tell me about some of the other offerings on the menu. Chef
All right,
Blair,
so
what else do you offer?
we make like pasta alfredo, we make vegan mac and cheese with garlic bread, we make ackee wraps, bean stews, and we have potato mash for those who don't like rice. And then we have salads, like spiralized vegetables like these, to get people to eat their beets and their cucumbers and their
Those
zucchinis.
cucumbers look good, actually.
Zucchini, yeah.
And the people who buy from you, your clientele, is this people who want to try something new and different, or are these like die-hard vegans? Or is it a mixture?
It's a small percentage of diehard vegans.
It's a small
Yes,
percentage?
it's a large percentage of people who wanted to try something new and who continuously stick to us and keep trying.
Wow. Okay, so your message, you say, is to spread love all over the world with your cuisine.
Yes.
Like, how are you going to make that work? Obviously, you're Jamaica-based now, but how do you plan to expand and get that mission to become a vision, a reality?
Yeah, well, no doubt we want to bring these Jamaican flavors everywhere. I mean, for the most part, a lot of tourists have come and tried our foods.
Is that right?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
You know, because we do a lot of events.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So you cater as well?
Yeah, we cater.
So is the plan one day to have like a line of Veggie Campus products that you can start exporting? Tell me what the broader vision is for the company.
Well, the broader vision is to make like the cheese sauces and things like that.
Bottle them and have them in the supermarket.
For sale.
Wow.
Because they are really what you call it? They're really easy to make into other things. Yeah.
I see. How old is the business now?
It's about 4 years old.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
And it's doing well?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. Chef, what's going on over there?
Well, my plantings are almost done.
So it's your time. You have 56 seconds. So
oh, wow.
what you going to do?
All right. Well, these now,
Yes,
the
play
lentils.
something and show us, man.
Yeah, so in TV time now, you see.
Yeah.
Fast forward, it will turn like something in that. Yeah.
TV time.
You know?
Yes.
So, all right. We're going to plate it now, right?
Please, because we want to see what the finished product looks like.
All right, just hand me that plate.
All right, guys, we're showing you how the...
Hold on, no, the plant.
Okay.
We have
TV time, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
That's the past and this is the present.
All right.
Okay.
Realize we didn't have enough time, but this is part.
Chef Mickey, I'm going to teach you a TV part eventually, but I could just play it and show them
all right.
what the finished
So,
product would
the
look
plant is the base, right? And then the lentil go on top.
Take time.
Right.
Right? And then...
And then now,
And then the cheese.
the cheese sauce.
Wonderful cheese sauce. That's... It's a buzz on the street, you know?
More of a buzz after today, I'll tell you that.
I'm telling you.
We give thanks.
Actually, it looks quite good. So tell me, I want to see how you finish it off. Because lasagna is baked, so everything is held into place.
Yeah,
so
but this is the vegetarian lasagna.
Yeah, but how you make sure, like, when you take it up, everything don't fall to bits?
Okay, all right. So you just, let me show you.
You finish, you know?
Finish
No,
right
no,
now.
go on the top, eh?
No,
Okay.
so just take up. All right, let me garnish it first, right? Right.
Yeah,
so
man.
you just take up one
eating,
plantain.
Oh,
you take
okay.
up the
Yeah,
plantain.
you're going to taste it for us.
Oh,
you know.
am I really?
Yeah, man.
You're asking me or you telling me? Or you know, some eat vegan food.
Right.
You can try.
Try it.
It's good.
It's good.
It's good.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
It's good. I'm a bean lover, you know, so this is good for me. And the cheese, actually,
Yeah.
I was nervous about the cheese,
Yeah.
but Julie, this is good. I'm impressed. So guys, how do folks get in touch with you?
All right, you can call or WhatsApp us at 321-5298.
Are you on social?
Instagram, Veggie Campus JA.
Okay.
Facebook, Veggie Campus JA.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I order this, guys. It's a plantain.
Green
What's it?
plantain lasagna.
Green plantain lasagna. Good stuff from Chef Mickey Cushney and Chef Brent Blair with us this morning. Thank you very much, gentlemen.
Yeah, man.
After
Thank
this,
you.
more from the Aeolians of Oakwood University and some more lasagna.